Welcome to the world of The Body Keeps the Score, a groundbreaking book by Dr. Bessel van der Kolk. As a renowned psychiatrist and trauma expert, Dr. van der Kolk delves deep into the profound effects of trauma on both the mind and body. Let's explore how our bodies bear the imprints of our past and what we can do to heal. In today's world, understanding trauma is more important than ever. Trauma affects individuals from all walks of life, leading to significant mental and physical health issues. By recognizing and addressing trauma, we can improve public health and create a more supportive society. Trauma is an overwhelming experience that can shatter a person's sense of security. It affects both the mind and the body, leading to a range of symptoms like anxiety, fear, and physical tension. Understanding these effects is the first step toward healing. Trauma impacts key areas of the brain, including the amygdala, hippocampus, and prefrontal cortex. The amygdala triggers fear responses, the hippocampus processes memories, and the prefrontal cortex handles rational thinking. These changes explain why trauma survivors often feel stuck in a state of heightened anxiety and fear. When we face trauma, our body reacts in three ways: fight, flight, or freeze. These automatic responses help us survive danger, but can become a problem if the trauma isn't resolved. Our bodies remember the trauma, even if our minds try to forget. Over time, unresolved trauma can lead to long-term problems like anxiety, depression, and chronic pain. These issues can linger for years, affecting every part of a person's life. Understanding these effects is crucial for healing. Healing from trauma is possible with the right approach. Talking to a therapist, practicing mindfulness and meditation, and engaging in physical activities like yoga can help reconnect with your body and process traumatic memories. Having a supportive community and strong relationships is vital for healing. Loved ones and group therapies can provide the emotional and social support needed to overcome trauma. Remember, you don't have to go through it alone. The Body Keeps the Score teaches us that trauma affects both the mind and body, but healing is possible with the right approaches. Remember, trauma is a fact of life. It does not, however, have to be a life sentence. Let's take steps towards healing and support each other on this journey. In conclusion, The Body Keeps the Score by Dr. Bessel van der Kolk offers invaluable insights into understanding and healing from trauma. Remember the key points. Trauma affects both mind and body. Healing is possible, and support is crucial. Dive deeper into the book for more profound knowledge. If you found this summary helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on healing and wellness.